찹찹 델리 찹찹라며. Ya da o chicken lawa chai post mana bika gotila. Gochu sahan chum jamta. Skaf baigol skaf. Yine skaf var gidiyor. Ben all for you again.
When you go to Kamal, our Hahasar is over by evening.
Oye, sino may ay ba? Engineer akan malana. Ay la engineer akan sinong sila.
라이트 쇼나.
알아서 남자들 주지라면 भाई दब का मेरे रहते दे बोला तो भी ना जाते आता रहे थे पकड़ तो भी किसी को नहीं तेरे क्या सही ना तो मतलब फट काम बोलना था ये सारे
Namaste to all. My name is Dr. Jaybir Singh. I shall be your guide for the tour of Delhi today. And interestingly, I have my specialization in interpretation of Indian art, history and architecture. And I'm already working for last 28 years as a pan-India guide. We go all over the country. So this particular tour of yours will be having few highlights of visiting Delhi. First of all, the prime attraction of Delhi is Red Fort of Delhi. We call Lal Killa. This fort actually had a very interesting history. This fort built by the same king who built Taj Mahal in Agra, King Shah Jahan. But why he built? Because he moved his capital from Agra to Delhi. Agra was the capital when Akbar moved the capital from Delhi to Agra. When British came to India, Delhi was not their capital, it was Calcutta, which is called Kolkata now. And Kolkata was capital until 1911. They decided they will move their capital to Delhi, which is more closer to Shimla, because Shimla was their summer capital. So every year they moved their capital. Takes 4 days journey by train. So it is long distance, So they decided, let's make Delhi as capital, which is more closer to Shimla. So the new city was planned under the guidance of 2 people. One was Mr. Butcher and second was Mr. Baker, Herbert Baker. Both of them from England. So the new township was created by them and they need to name the city, what they should name. Now I should tell you something interesting. This city, Delhi, in English called Delhi, but in Hindi we call Delhi. Everybody knows? So Delhi actually got its origin in name, which is goes back to 4th century AD with the king Dillu. So from there the Delhi word comes from. But when Mughals came to India, this city was like an entrance for the whole subcontinent of India. So they call this city as Delhi. Now this word Delhi comes from a Urdu language word, a word called Dehliz. And Dehliz means threshold, the entrance. So from Dehliz the word Delhi comes from. But exactly the word Delhi cannot be pronounced by British. They used to say Delhi and Delhi. Right? So Delhi became Delhi by them. So it was a discussion in British Parliament what they should name. So they followed their tradition of putting new as prefix. And they keep some name of England. So example is New York. There is a city New York in England, so New York. But before New York, it used to be known as New Amsterdam. So New York was a good example, so they followed the word new and they kept the word Delhi because there is a given name by them. So it became New York.